This video shows how beginners can use AI in daily life.
You don't need skills to use AI.
Ultimately, you just need simple daily tasks.
Use AI to plan your day.
It helps you stay organized. Email, and texts become easier.
Your AI helps fix your English.
Grammar and clarity improve.
It explains in simple words.
Use AI to make quick notes.
Short and clear summaries.
AI helps generate new ideas.
For work or content.
AI saves your daily time.
Less thinking, more doing. AI summarizes long text.
Only key points matter.
AI helps create simple plans.
AI supports learning step by step. At your own pace. Confidence removes fear. Daily use builds confidence.
You're typing, and AI works for you.
No need to rush. Simple use works best. Start with one task
And cultivate your habit. Daily habits create real results.
Results lead to growth.
AI is a helper. Anyone can use AI. No degree needed.
Start using AI today. Small steps matter.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for Kaka AI Clarity.